Just tell me when it started. Hi, achyad. I'm at the Vermont Fest Ed Tech Conference. I'm going to try an Oculus Quest.
It started.
All right, I'm trying out a Quest here. I hear in the updated version, what was your name, sir?
Rod Bachelet.
Rod Bachelet, that we won't even need these to have our 5 fingers. The biggest thing about this is I can see you now through a black and white camera, and I can glance over to the matrix here. That's like the holodeck of lines, and I'm out of my virtual reality, and now I'm crossing through the wall, and I can't see you through the front-facing camera. And now I could walk around my house with a very low resolution of reality, which is an interesting thing that we'll be comparing the reality resolution of our front-facing cameras. I think it's groundbreaking because, first of all, it has a front-facing camera so you can see through it whenever you need to, which is the beginning of, I think, not having anything on your head. Second of all, 5 fingers, 5 controls on each hand. And third of all, it doesn't need a phone, and it's $399. I think, as a friend of mine says, it's the collapse of distance, but it's the very beginning. Soon, not a headset, which I think will be the real breakthrough. I'm not sure how it's going to happen, though. Great. Looking forward to the new model. All right, keep it real out there. Or at least virtually real. Just not fake.